In our culture, whenever we celebrate some good news, we do so by making something sweet. For us today was a similar day, so I flipped through my recipe book. Oh, that reminds me, I must show that to you folks sometime, and landed on this sweet tapioca pudding. For this, I'm going to be using the smaller variety and not the bigger ones because I feel that makes a better pudding. Also, we don't want to end up making an Indian kheer, do we? The best thing about this recipe is that it just takes three ingredients, more or less, and all of them were readily available in my pantry tonight. The base is simple: milk and tapioca, as the name suggests, and off to cooking we go. Oopsie daisies, where is my spatula when you need it? This kitchen, oh, needs a bit of another makeover, I tell you. Well, today is a bit of a special day, so I am going to spice things up a bit, or rather, sweeten things up by adding some cut fresh fruits and making it slightly healthy, maybe. Oh, would you look at that? In my enthusiasm to make a sweet dish, I almost forgot to add sugar itself. A pinch of salt and a shot of vanilla essence later, this is ready for a wee bit of cooking. You want the consistency to be nice and thick, but bear in mind that this will thicken some more once it goes into the refrigerator. I feel it is really important to celebrate these small bits of happiness that come in our life, especially in these times. So, why don't you take some time, give it a try, and celebrate with your loved ones?